2025, Suzuki will present the Jimny Sierra Pickup. The small Suzuki Jimny SUV, the cutting-edge replacement for the Suzuki Samurai. You probably remember from a few years ago, is one of our favorite SUVs outside of the US, and now it's even more appealing thanks to an all-new pickup truck concept. The variation that Suzuki will show at the 2025 Tokyo Motor Show. Take a look at the Suzuki Jimny Sierra Pickup and let us know if it's the most attractive pickup you've ever seen. Let's take a look at the exterior of the 2025 Jimny Pickup. A novel front grille adds retro beguile with wood sheets on the sides that match the combo. And it's outfitted with accrual area tires and fascinating-looking hubcaps. The two of which stress the horrendous scene signature, as well as striking hitches. It has partner lights on the front and along the rooftop. The Jimny Pickup idea includes a minuscule pickup bed joined to the back that requires the back seats to be eliminated. And furthermore includes a bed-mounted light bar. For purchasers considering conveyance, the beginning cost will be around $22,850. The GIST powertrain presented in the Jimny Pickup is a 1.5-liter inline-4 brake for 100 strength and 95 pound-feet of force. And it comes standard with a 5-speed manual and 4-wheel drive.